Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today's a really quick, semi-homemade meal: Thai ginger shrimp over sticky rice. You could do this in different combinations. You could add the ginger sauce to the rice. You could put the shrimp over top. It's all what you want to do. But today is Friday's upload. I'm filming in POV, point of vision, so you can see it from my eyes, my hands. So we have shrimp. We have the Thai ginger sauce. I did a food review on this, and like I said, this is by Cindy's Kitchen. Really good product. And to cut time down, Annie's Chun's make some restaurant style sticky rice. It's vegan, and all you have to do is just put this in the microwave. So something like this will only take 5 minutes, whatever it takes to cook the shrimp, which is usually like 4 or 5 minutes. So let's get started. All right, so the thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our olive oil and we're gonna coat the pan and put this stove on medium. The thing we're going to want to do is put our shrimp in there. And you want to cook this first without the marinade, because you want to make sure you cook it thoroughly. And right after that, then that's when we'll put the marinade in, and we'll simmer it in the pan. So we have the olive oil in there. Try to spread these shrimp out, and leave them untouched for a couple minutes so they can sear on the one side. So we'll be right back. Alright, so we have our shrimp in there, and like I said, we're going to sear them on one side for 2 minutes, and then we're going to flip them. Shrimp does not take a long time to cook. You definitely don't want to overcook anything. So we're going to sear these on the one side, like I said, and then we'll flip them. And then we'll turn the stove on low, and that's when we'll throw the marinade in there. Alright, so we're going to flip the shrimp. So just go ahead and flip all the shrimp, and we'll cook it for another 2 minutes on that one side. Alright, so we flipped over that shrimp, and we're going to just cook this on this side for another 2 minutes. Then after that, we're going to turn the stove down to low, let it cool a little bit, and then we're going to throw the marinade in. This is a really simple, semi-homemade meal, which only takes like 3 ingredients. It doesn't take long. It just takes you the time to cook the shrimp. Alright, so our shrimp is done. And now we're going to take that Thai ginger sauce. And like I said, if you can't find that one in other supermarkets, there should be equivalent. So just put in the amount of sauce you want, and turn your stove on between low and medium, right in between, and then just start working this ginger sauce into this chicken. So while that's going on, while we're letting this simmer, and if you have to, just throw in more ginger sauce. You can never go wrong with this. So just start working this. Let it simmer. And while that's going on, take that sticky rice I showed you. Use whatever you want. Make it homemade if you want. But this one that I'm using, you just have to peel it back. And then you just throw it in the microwave for a minute. That's what, it's a really quick alternative. Alright, so our Thai ginger shrimp is done. You can see that sauce in there. Look at that. I'll tell you, this wouldn't it wouldn't be bad to add like garlic bread or certain crackers to that, because look at that sauce. Look at it steam up. So there's your Thai ginger shrimp. Now turn this thing to low and just let it simmer for like 30 seconds to a minute. And here's that sticky rice. See how quick you can have sticky rice in like a minute? If you really wanted to, you could actually pour this ginger sauce right over top of here and put your shrimp in here, and just use this bowl if you want to make a shrimp rice bowl. But I'm gonna plate it. But like I said, you could do a lot of stuff with this recipe. With this sauce, you could pour it over the sticky rice and turn it into a Thai ginger sticky rice. But for this, I'm just gonna plate this, and then I'm gonna throw the shrimp on and some sauce over top. But this is how you can make a semi-homemade meal within like 5-6 minutes. And like I said, my channel is here to give you ideas, give you suggestions. It's not always about cooking things from the start, really fancy and long recipes. We're all busy in life with our jobs and our family, so why not make quick, quality meals that taste good? So let's plate this, and then we're done. Yeah, YouTube and Facebook. One of the good things about those rice bowls that are microwavable, look, you can just flip them over, and you have that ball of rice. You can see the steam coming off of there. So even though you're buying that and you're microwaving it, it's still good quality, really good. It just helps you out in the kitchen. And like I said, that shrimp is done. We're going to put the shrimp over top of this, and we're just going to drizzle some sauce, and there it is. Alright, so there's your shrimp over top of the rice. Now if you want, you can take some of this ginger sauce, just drizzle this over top of everything. And you see how quick this is? Like I said, it only takes like 5 or 6 minutes. Now you could have made this in a bowl or put it into your favorite plate. But when you make this, look how much ginger sauce is in there with the olive oil. So that makes like you could definitely dip bread in there. So you can just, like I said, drizzle as much as you want. But that's your Thai ginger shrimp over sticky rice. So today is Friday's upload. I hope you enjoy the weekend. I will see you Monday. I still have to bring you that red clam sauce with linguine. I still haven't done that yet. But this is just giving you ideas how to make semi-homemade meals. You enjoy your weekend. This is Friday's upload, like I said. 4K POV. And I will talk to you on Monday. God bless. Peace. Dansoy.